how to use ChatGPT like a pro. You're using ChatGPT wrong, but don't worry, I'll show you how to use it like a pro. What you'll learn today: how to get better answers with advanced prompts, how to use ChatGPT for productivity and business, pro tips to 10x your AI skills. Stay with me till the end, because I have a bonus tip that will completely change the way you use ChatGPT. Common mistakes people make. Most people use ChatGPT the wrong way. If you ask, write me a blog post, you'll get something generic and boring. Instead, try this. Write a 500-word blog on 5 ways to improve productivity in a professional tone using bullet points. See the difference? Better instructions equal better results. Unlock hidden ChatGPT features. Secret ChatGPT features you need to use. Custom instructions. Make ChatGPT remember your style. Role-based prompts. Act as a financial expert and give investment tips. Advanced formatting. Summarize this article in 5 bullet points. Web browsing and plugins. Unlock real-time information. These simple tricks can supercharge your AI experience. ChatGPT for productivity. Use ChatGPT to save hours every day. Write emails in seconds. Summarize long PDFs instantly. Generate reports and outlines effortlessly. No more wasting time on repetitive tasks. Let AI do the work for you. ChatGPT for business and marketing. ChatGPT for business and marketing can be a game changer. Need social media posts? Done in seconds. Struggling with ad copy? Let AI write it for you. Automate blog content, emails, and even video scripts. If you're running a business, this is a must-have tool. Making money with ChatGPT. How to make money with ChatGPT. Freelancing. Write blogs, product descriptions, and scripts. YouTube. Generate viral video ideas and scripts. eBooks. Sell AI-generated books on Amazon. The AI economy is here. Don't miss out on the opportunity to monetize ChatGPT. Bonus pro tip. Pro tip, make ChatGPT your personal AI assistant. Use this prompt. Act as my personal AI assistant who writes in an engaging and concise manner. Now, ChatGPT will remember your style and deliver better results every time. Like and subscribe for more AI hacks. Get my free ChatGPT Pro Guide, link in the description. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and let me know in the comments, how do you use ChatGPT? See you in the next one.